Tejal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today our topic is pair of linear equation in two variable. We already done pair of linear equation solving by graphical method, substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. But whenever this type example is given in your exam and there is no mentioned method, so you can apply any method for solving these two linear equation. But elimination method is the best for solving any pair of two linear equation. Now solve 5 upon 2x plus 2 upon 3y is equal to 7 and 3 upon x plus 2 upon y is equal to 12. But we already done pair of linear equation in two variable general form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. But this is not form of this. That's why you should be converted this given two equation in form of this standard. So how? Here 5 upon 2x, 2 upon 3y is equal to 7. So you should be right. This is 5 upon 2 into 1 upon x. This is first. Then 2 upon 3 into 1 upon y which is equal to 7. You should write this equation in form of this. Same way here. 3 into 1 upon x plus 2 into 1 upon y is equal to 12. Why we write in this form? Because this portion is common in both. This is also here and here both. Same way this is here and here both. So you supposed to take 1 upon x is equal to some other variable, either m or n, a or b, any xy, except x and y. You can suppose any variable. So here let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. That's why your given equation converted into a new variable of a and b. This way. This is 5 upon 2 into a. Instead of 1 upon x, you should be put a. Same way, this is 2 by 3 upon b is equal to 7. Now, this becomes 3 into a plus 2 into b is equal to 12. Again, simplify this by taking LCM. So, 2 and 3 LCM is 6. So, you can write this is 6 is your LCM. Multiply here 3 because 2 3s are 6. So 5 3s are 15 a LCM. Same way 3 है तो 2 में 6 में कन्वर्ट करना है तो 3 2s are 6 so multiply by 2 here. Same method decide from denominator but multiply in numerator. 3 2s are 6 so here multiply 2. 2 2s are 4 b which is equal to 7. Now 6 in division so it converted into a multiplication. So 15a plus 4b is equal to 6 into 7. So, your first equation converted in this way. 15a plus 4b is equal to 6 7s are 42. Now, this is 1 and this is 2. Now, solve these two equations and find out value of a and b. After getting value of a and b put here, then you can easily get value of x and y. Now for solving we should apply here elimination method because it is best method for solving any pair of linear equation. So right here which method you apply by elimination method. Here 3 and here 15. So you want to multiply this equation by what? Which number? 5 because 3 5s are 15. Because I want to eliminate here a. So by elimination method, multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 1. Multiply equation 2 by 5 and equation 1 by 1 because this is 2 and this is 1. Now multiply this equation by 5 and this equation by 1. So you getting new equation. 5 3s are 15. So 15a plus 5 2s are 10. So 10b is equal to 12 5s are 60. This equation multiplied by 1. 15a plus 4b is equal to 42. After converting into a same coefficient and variable formation, change its sign if they have a same sign. So this is plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. After changing its sign, simplify this. Plus minus minus, 15a 15a cancel. Plus minus minus, 10b minus 4b is 6b, biggest digit sign plus. 16 minus 42, so here 10 and here 5, so you have 18 and biggest digit sign plus. So your b is equal to 18 by 6, 6 3s are 18. So your b is equal to 3. After getting value of b, putting one of them equation either in 2 or in 1. So put b is equal to 3 in equation 2. This is equation 2. So 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. Now instead of b you should be write 3. So this is become 3a plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12. So 3a plus 6 is equal to 12. So 3a is equal to 12 minus 6. 3a is equal to plus 6. So a is equal to 6 by 3. So a is equal to 2. After getting value of a and b, put in this supposition. So now 1 upon x is equal to a. Therefore 1 upon x is equal to, what is value of a? 2. So 2. So change 2 here and x here, because in division it become a multiplication. Multiplication it become a division. So x is equal to 1 upon 2. Same way 1 upon y is equal to b. So what is value of b? b is 3. So 1 upon y is equal to 3. So your y is equal to 1 upon 3. So this is solution of given pair of two linear equation. Now we go through the second question. Now in this second question we have 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. This is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2, and you want to solve. That means find the value of x and y. So which thing is common in both equation? So here is also 1 upon 3x plus y. Here is also 1 upon 3x plus y. So you supposed to take 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to some other variable. Same way for here is also 1 upon 3x minus y. Here is also 1 upon 3x minus y. So you supposed to take some other variable of 1 upon 3x minus y. So let 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. That's why this equation become a plus b is equal to 3 by 4. Multiply this 4 in division, here in multiplication. So 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. This is your equation 1. Same way 1 upon 2 into you should be write a, because this is your a, minus 1 upon 2, this is your b. So into b is equal to minus 1 upon a. Now take LCM on LHS, so 2 is your LCM. So here 1 into a, 1 into b, which is equal to minus 1 upon a. 2 in division it become in multiplication. So a minus b is equal to minus 2 upon 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So minus 1 upon 4, 4 multiply here. So 4a minus 4b, which is equal to minus 1. This become your equation 2. Now solve 1 and 2 by any method. I apply here elimination method, because here not mentioned you want to apply this method. So by elimination method, solve these two equations. So here 4a, here 4a. So both are the same, so it becomes too easy. So 4a plus 4b is equal to 3, and this is 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Same sign, take its opposite sign. Cancel, plus plus plus, 4 plus 4, 8 equal to 4 by 8. So your b is equal to 1 upon 2. Now put this value in one of them. So put b is equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1. So what is your equation 1? 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Instead of b, write its value. So 4a plus 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to 3. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, change side of 2. So 4a is equal to 3 minus 2. This is your 2. And change side. So 3 minus 2 is 1. That's why 4a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 by 4. After getting value of this a and b, put here. This is our supposition. So now 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a. So 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 1 upon 4. So multiply 4 here and this here. So 3x plus y is equal to this become a 4. Give its name is 3. Same way now 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. This. Put value of b. b is 1 by 2. So 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 2. Multiply 2 here and this here. So 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is your equation 4. Now again solve these 3 and 4 by elimination method. So now solve 3 and 4 by elimination method. So 3x plus y is equal to 4 and this is 3x minus y is equal to 2. I want to eliminate here y and it has already opposite sign, so do not require here for changing. So this is cancelled. 3x plus 3x is 6x, 4 plus 2 is 6. So your x is 1. Now put this value in one of them, 3 or 4. So put x is equal to 1 in 3. So what is your 3? 3x plus y is equal to 4. So 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 3 because 3 ones are 3, change side of 3. So y is equal to 1. So what is your answer? Solution of given two pair of linear equations is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. This is your answer. If you really like my channel, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.